This is a 3-inch gel memory foam mattress topper with elastic corner straps and removable and washable bamboo cover. I was sent this to review from Valuxe, so let me show you a closer look because it is so comfortable.
Vacuum packed, nice and compact. You've got a little opener here so that you don't slice into this when opening it. You've got a 2-year warranty and customer instructions. Super easy instructions here and on the box. Unbox, position, unroll, expand. Here is the underside. It's really grippy down here, and then you've got the straps in each of the 4 corners. So I'm gonna flip it over, take these little moisture absorbers out. Literally within a couple of minutes, it seems to be really well puffed up, like maybe 90%, 95%. I mean, look at how soft. This is going to be amazing. This is not a hybrid. It is fully just memory foam, 3 inches of memory foam to be exact. This outer case does zip off if you need to wash it. That is what the memory foam inside looks like. I'm just gonna keep it zipped up. Let's see, 100% polyurethane foam. And then the cover is 60% polyester, 40% viscose from bamboo. This is the twin size. It's about 9 pounds. Care instructions. You can remove the cover to clean. Use mild detergent, no chlorine or bleach. Wash and dry fine. For the memory foam, spot clean. Do not put it in the washing machine or the dryer. You've got the straps as well, which are adjustable. So if you have a super thick or thin mattress, no worries, it's gonna fit perfectly. So there you go, gorgeous. Yes, so good. So comfortable, really soft. I love it, and I know you will too.